Hello, this is Mystic Girl 365, and I'm doing a video on my Elsa doll. It is wearing the dress in Frozen 2 where Elsa changed how she looked in the song Show Yourself. And here is the back. Her hair was not originally up like this, but I put it like that so it's easier to manage. And difficulties. Here is the back of the dress. Now, move her like this again. And I'm going to press play, which is just the button that makes her sing. And as you can see, the dress lights up. And mouth moves and the head moves.
But I'm here for a reason. Could it be the reason I was born? I have always been so different. Normal rules did not apply. Is today, are you the way? I finally find out why. Show yourself and no longer trembling. Here I am, I've come
So as you can tell, it only sings a portion of the song, but if you want to hear the whole song, you can go to YouTube and search the song Show Yourself in the movie Frozen 2. And the shoes she is wearing are like her platform to keep her standing, which I like to put her against something just to make sure she doesn't fall. And also, along with her head moving and her mouth moving, along to the song that is, her arms also move. They can move all the way up, like this, but I usually like to keep them at this part, because as you can tell just now, some of her hair came out of the ponytail, but that's okay. I'm gonna put her hand down now. So that is the Elsa doll that sings and has her dress light up. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. Goodbye.